in a higher trajectory of prices in the for the people, individual investors. So, how did you start this thing that is getting the support of the, if I use the technical terms, the anchor, the large mutual funds, the individual institutional investments. How did you manage those things?
Thank you. Thank you for giving us opportunity to say something in front of you and in front of Tripura people. I would like to say that Matripurishwari has given me so much blessings, and I had exposure of working outside Tripura. I worked in UAE, Russia. I worked in Qatar. I worked in Bombay. I worked in Delhi. So definitely that exposure actually given me the opportunity to connect with the people, right institution, and right modality of operating this capital market. So that helped me a lot. What I would like to bring here that working or doing projects, running companies is one thing, and connecting with the capital market, listing is a separate thing. Both are separate but somehow integrated together. Without capital market, you can't move forward. You can't raise fund much more. That see, there is a limitation of raising fund. Limitation because if you have the collateral in terms of your house, your car, and all these things, if you put at mortgage in a bank, so then bank will give you some percentage of money. So that is the normal procedure actually you are following to doing business. But there is a limitation. Individual as you, Vishnu, me, having some individual capacity and having one house, two house, three house. But the business we are actually dealing with, that's a capital intensive business. So we need regular capital in this in infusion. So that high capital where you are actually having that much of capital, you don't have that much of capital. You already use your equity, already use your house, already use your everything. So you raise the capital from the debt market. Now for higher capital, larger capital, you have to come to this market. This market operates in a separate direction. This market obviously based upon the reference point is your balance sheet, the profit margin, your revenue growth, and the perspective of your business, and what is the vision, and
So
what.
it means you are saying that business transparency and accountancy.
Yes, 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 yes.
And it is actually giving the opportunity to get your IPOs listed in a BSE. But my second question, in connection with the first question, just how was your journey? And how do you feel that how this ecosystem working in Northeast India, especially in Tripura?
Yes. As I said, I got exposure in Bombay earlier because of working in Bombay in my initial stage, and I working in Delhi. So I got exposure of because I worked in listed company. In my career, I worked in listed company, but I know the how they operate. So I got connected with them earlier also because of working in your. And thereafter, I felt that there is no avenue of in Tripura raise further capital. That's why I approached the capital market. It took actually 4 years of time. I want to bring one uh, important point here that the people here who raise fund for me or others, there are different institutions. They always approach me to bring this IPO from our Gurgaon house. Okay. I have the Gurgaon property. So they always approach that why don't you bring the capital, shift the registered office in
It is
Gurgaon.
only because this viewer, thus I want to clarify, because the company's listing price is depending on the place where you are belong.
Yeah.
So since he has the property in Gurgaon, so property value of Gurgaon and property value or the company value in Tripura is
Different.
different. So, but we must thank Gautam. He, despite lot of influences from different corners, including the investors, he did not shift his
Yeah.
address.
Yeah.
He still he like to
I specially convey my thanks to Gautam that he did not shifted his address. He wants belongs to Tripura.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so continue.
So the valuation of the company immediately change when your address is changed.
Change. Yes.
Because it is not the market is running on their own way.
Yes.
They never listen to anybody. There is no political influence. There are no private relationship. There is no emotional intelligence over there.
Yes.
So their market governs on their own way. So they know the demand and supply.
Yes.
So market always recognize the people from Delhi, Bombay, Gujarat, yeah, Bangalore. If you are belongs to these places, they will value more because they never actually come across any kind of that businesses from Northeast. Earlier, Star Cement got listed,
Okay.
so that's the only company got listed now. Two, three companies listed earlier from the Assam and they suspended. But now only the Star Cement is there, and we are the second one. So it took a long time to convince my investors, my institutions to bring this IPO from the state of Tripura. So I want to inform you and everybody from Tripura and even Northeast, the enterprises from Northeast. So I have set the milestone and I know the procedure of getting listed. If there are anybody who is willing to listed their company in the BSC or NSE, please come to me as a Tripura son of Tripura as well. I will definitely help you out. The time I took, it took 4 years of time I to get listed because I invested a lot of money here to learn everything.
Yes.
Hits and bits in the market. Now I learn everybody. Now I'm giving advices also to people.
So, if I summarize your this first part, so actually any entrepreneur from anywhere, but specifically we are talking about Tripura. So your suggestion is that, or you have what you have followed is that clean audit. Yes, clean audit.
Transparency, 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 governance is
Govern well structured
well structured.
institution. Okay, and the third thing is that you are ready to extend support if
Yeah.
any startups
Yeah.
or any other organizations from Tripura seek your suggestions, guidance, etc. Now, the important thing is that we need to enter into this capital market because the capital intensive industries need capital,
Yeah,
and the sources of capital,
yeah,
at
limited.
least in everywhere, it's limited. In Tripura, it's much more limited. But is there any government help, or how does the bank, I mean, those loans and etc.?
No, no, no. That you already rightly said that you need transparency and governance, good governance and good structure. I want to say one thing here. I have seen a lot of enterprise. What I feel in terms of revenue and profitability, they are very good in Tripura. There are a lot of enterprises out there, but they are very, very conservative in terms of spending money on the people they engage with them. What I understand.
This is called the business transparency.
No, not
So,
business transformation. The people are not spending money on the people. The entrepreneurs are not spending money on the people because in my company, we engage more than 450 people,
Yes.
and we have department-wise head, department-wise,
That's what I'm saying.
department-wise
And
head.
you have all the
well
well
structured
structured, and you have to follow the guidelines.
organization.
Yes.
The CC, you have to have that ESI, you have to have the
Yeah,
provident
yeah,
fund.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it is not that I am paying something
Yeah.
and it is not listed somewhere. Somebody should be.
Actually,
If you have money, you will get listed. No,
Yes,
no, no, that is not the thing.
Yeah, you have to have that following. The
follow. And actually, maybe there is there any just you were talking about, you have seen a lot of enterprises with good business, but they are not investing in people. Do you think we need a mindset shift now?
It is not the fault of those people. That it's a fault of actually awareness.
Okay.
Mindset now, if people are watching me, now they can understand. Capital market is the one thing. So the awareness is not there, and the the kind of business they are doing, the structure they are following, it was actually old method. If you invest on the people, you will get
Yes,
benefited. That people are not aware of.
Because you know this capital market is something different. What you can n number of investors who can, if you are giving the good projects, they will support you. Support you. It will fluctuate definitely, but it's depending on your business structure. But one more important thing is that, so far my information goes, this Hobel Engineering Projects Limited is got the FDI from first FDI from Northeast or not I don't know, but from Tripura is the first FDI he got. So it is also another milestone for Tripura. When FDI is coming, it means his business is clean, his approach is clean, his projects are valued. His projects are valued by the foreign investors.
Yeah, and I think here another important point, what he is actually trying to pinpoint, that invest on people, your people.
Yes.
Because unless and until some investors get a feel-good factor from your employees, because all the time
Sure.
they will not interact with
Yeah,
you.
that's a very rightly you said. That point I am actually. That market will see your governance and structure. Market is not investing on me. Market have seen my board. I have proper board. I have my board members are, well, Sneha is electrical instrumentation engineer. Himanshu is mechanical engineer. One of our ED, XED from ONGC, he is on board. One of our ex Oil India in my board. So people who are investing on you, they are not investing on you.
Yes, yes.
They are investing on those people. And apart from board, they are actually following the structure. What kind of structure you are following, what kind of governance you are maintaining, and how you execute the project. Somebody from Tripura having the revenue of 200 crore, 300 crore, 400 crore, but he is getting revenue only by, he is recruited on one engineer who is in contract basis. That kind of structure
Yes.
not be evaluated here. You have to have that wild structure. They will see the how much CSR activity you are doing, how much you are spending for the social upliftment, how much skill development activity you are doing,
Yes.
the number of people you engage, what is their qualification. All these are lot of things. So, so having money with you and capital market, if you want to come and invest in some broker or something, it will not get listed.
I think
Because market will not recognize.
Gautam, my next question definitely is pointed on this very specific question, because our government is incentivizing the investment industries, and they are welcoming the investment in Tripura. But I think it is a slow growth. It is a slow growth. So as a result, the pace of development is very slow. So being an this listed company, or also you are also an engineer, you are also managing projects, so many things you are doing. So what is your suggestion and what is your take on?
Yeah, sir, my suggestion is that Tripura is investing, Tripura is trying to invest and having some fund also to grow their industrial
Yes.
sector. But I always look into it and always try to invest on some industries, some particular different industry I have evaluated. But I've never come across the profitability figure from that industry. Why not? Because there are some challenges. One challenge is, as you know, all know, we have a little consumer base.
Yes, our market is very small.
Market is very small. Second limitation is that we are we are located far away from the mainland,
Yes.
and that isolation actually brings lot of transportation cost. And these two things are, and third thing, that we are not land mass based state. We are having small land mass. We have marginal land. So my suggestion is that industrial policy Unnati scheme is there. In Unnati scheme there is a provision of 50% capital subsidy by in plant and machinery, and in civil construction 30%. I always discourage this policy for the Tripura especially. It is very much appropriate to Guwahati. It is not appropriate to Tripura, because Tripura, your transportation cost is so high.
Okay.
So if you are producing something and not able to transport to mainland, because your consumer base is less. So there is no meaning of
So what is the
subsidy.
market?
What is the market, and transportation cost is very high. So how your product will competitive to the mainland?
Yes.
So my suggestion is that you customize one policy where the capital subsidy, remove this capital subsidy. There is no requirement of capital subsidy. Give the subsidy to the transportation as transportation subsidy. Park whole money to the transportation subsidy. Whosoever producing, they will get the whole benefit of transportation. So then we
So
can compete with other.
I think the answer will be very clear. That if the manufacturing companies, they need transportation subsidies. But if service industry is coming up, you can provide them the capital subsidy.
Yeah,
you can
if
give them,
you come with the software, then it's a separate thing.
Separate thing. But when we are talking about the manufacturing industries, so it is very important to give them the transportation subsidies so that they can transport their produces to the mainland where it will be compatible.
Yeah, policy can't be same as like a service industry and manufacturing.
Manufacturing, yeah.
There should be distinguished.
Yes.
So your suggestion basically is that for the ease of business, whatever
Yes.
you are doing, it's okay, fine, do it. But think in this way that our market is, be practical, our market is really small and no one will be really sustainable based on this market.
Yes.
So we need to come out of Tripura. And I
For
mean,
selling our product.
for selling for our product. Okay, so we need actually transportation subsidy.
My next question is very simple because everybody is saying that Northeast is a basket of biodiversity and there is a hotspot of biodiversity. If it is so, so if we are not manufacturing, if we are not giving the service, so why do we not investing on the carbon industry, carbon-based
Yes,
industry?
yes, yeah. Vishwanath, you are rightly said. Very good. Actually, it is in my heart.
Yes.
In my heart, like that.
So you have struck his
It is. I never understand the recently development. You see that in the Nicobar Island, government of India actually deregularized their environmental rules.
Yes.
And they opened up Nicobar Island for the industrial development.
Yes.
So we are like that, na? In Northeast, all the green area,
Yes.
we are maintaining whole forest area, and we are not giving this benefit to the normal common people. You open up our land. Either you give the land to the common people so that they can.
But cut down the green.
No. I am not cutting. I am not asking for cutting down whole
No, at least 5%.
At least you
10%.
deregularize your forest regulation so that people have some good land bank. Because if you have the in our area 1 kani, 2 kani
Two kani,
land,
yes,
with the
yes.
1 kani, 2 kani, no, what kind of produce you actually having? 1 kani land से कुछ नहीं मिलेगा आपको.
Yes,
There is
no.
no profitability you can expect from the small 16,000 square feet of land.
Yes.
You have to have opened the land, and you open the land for the green industrialization. Na? Agriculture is a green industry.
Yes.
You open the land for the agriculture activity. You either you are open the land, either or you go to the carbon credit. Why you are not approaching?
You will enter into the carbon market.
credit?
Carbon
So
market.
anyway, Tripura people having so much of land is not get benefited. So there is no meaning.
So if it is the agricultural business, if we start the agricultural industries, it is also other way supporting our this green approach because it will also giving us the oxygen and neutralize sequestering the carbon. So we can claim the carbon credit.
Carbon credit business is so high.
So high. Otherwise, if it is so, whether you will support me or not, I don't know. Otherwise, give us the green incentive
Yeah.
because we are conserving the forestry for entire world. So you have to be compensated.
Yes.
We need the compensation. So the people from northeast of Tripura, we can ask for the compensation because 60% of the forest is belong to the government because there is no private forestry. There is no timber business.
Yeah.
So since the government is conserving the forestry, so we want incentive.
I think state government, Tripura government has
Customize their
suggested this thing, that environmental thing to the 16th
Finance Commission seeking
I don't know.
green bonus.
green bonus.
Green bonus. They are asking for bonus.
They have suggested this one.
Because Gautam, my next question will be is how you are looking at the business expansion scope in Tripura.
Sir, Vishnu, I always actually on Sunday, every Sunday I look forward to get some kind of information for new business.
Okay.
So I do research and development for new businesses. What I understand, only new age business like green energy business that we are talking about.
Yeah.
Because Tripura, whatever oil we are consuming,
Yeah.
we can convert this our bio-oils to ethanol.
Ethanol.
So it will be consumed internally. So that's one kind of business we can think of. And second is IT industry, data center, artificial intelligence, those things. Other than that, the kind of policy we are following, manufacturing industry is very tough until unless we shift for the whole subsidy of transportation. I don't think so. The government can give the total subsidy, total portion of subsidy of transportation. So if we not able to give the total portion of transportation cost as a subsidy, so there is no meaning of opening up manufacturing business. You can open up a small bhujia industry, small namkeen industry, and small. This is for own consumption, but you can't compete with your product with mainland without this transportation subsidy, because transportation cost will cut down. Maybe your product is very high, because you know one my investors from USA, they already given a commitment of investment another $2 million in my company.
It's a big deal.
And
The company listing today, they are announcing the FDI of $2 million US.
Yes, dollar.
$2 million US it's a great achievement.
But I don't do any venture to invest in Tripura. I don't have any kind of venture, because whatever industry I am actually doing research and development, it is coming out with some challenges of transportation. We are coming out with the challenges of consumption. So your consumption is not there. You have to understand it.
Yeah, understand the reality. We are small, but our manufacturers will not survive in this small market. So they need to go explore outside.
Outside.
So what is your suggestion? Because this $2 million US foreign fund for the first day of listing, if somebody is approaching, so what as an economic journalist, what is your suggestion?
No, not as an economist will not be able to do anything here. What I think, we should form a say sub-statutory very thing where we will decide the entire subsidy will be given to
Transportation sector. If we encourage the manufacturers,
right.
But what it says about the IT industries or other service industries, I think the hospitality industry will not survive. Because unless and
consumption is very less now. Our relationship with Bangladesh is some challenging we are facing.
It is getting down.
Getting down. So with your internal consumption, and people have mindset now. People have mindset. If you are if you go to go some kind of prescription from the outside Tripura, some Kolkata, you Chennai. So they feel that is a feel good factor. They will get rid of their diseases. But if same prescription prescribed by our doctor, so there is a mindset. So industry, because there are a lot of hospitals are now opening up in Tripura.
Yes.
So nothing more than that can be survived over there.
So, but our government has a plan to bring up the educational institution, which will open up a new opportunity for our future generation. So, do you feel any investment opportunities are there?
This is for the education. I want to add some line on it. I tell why I am in Tripura now. Why I am in Tripura and get listed from Tripura only, because there was some inner pain in my heart that 12वीं तक तो state government ने पढ़ाया. After 12th, I have my schooling was in Tripura school. I don't know how much I have spent for the
almost free.
Almost free. After that, I got allocated from I got my engineering degree from Assam Engineering College. That is also free. 13,000 rupees I have spent for engineering degree. So that is आज के दिन में तो almost free. But people study in Tripura in 12th Bujjan school, Netaji school, Makanto, whatever Sarkari school. They go outside. They settle down. And people from Tripura, parents are waiting for them to come to see them. But एक बार बाहर जाने से अपना दुनिया वहाँ फंसा लेते हैं, कभी वापस नहीं आते. तो लोग क्या करते हैं, अपने मंदिर में जाते हैं, वहीं बैठे रहते हैं और praising themselves कि my son is working in that software company, that company. but internally they are actually getting pain.
Yes.
And it is not the loss of that parent, it is the loss of our state also. I am giving free education to those people, but these people are not never
Coming back, coming back,
So
yeah.
what is the meaning of giving the education?
It is a bad investment.
Bad investment.
Bad investment actually.
See, in this way, because they see Tripura economy, if you look into the Tripura economy, there are serious problems. I feel that we are running for 90-10 ratio, 90% from the government and 10% from our own income. Out of 35,000, I think GDP, GSDP, we are our revenue near 2,500 or something. So it is we are not
Heavily
earning.
dependent.
We are not earning our money. That is not actually really feel good factor. I should run my own home ना आप अपना रूम चला घर अपना खुद चलाओगे ना तो दूसरा क्यों चलाए तुम दूसरे क्यों चलाए we have to have self dependent for self dependent we have to have some kind of robust policy to change the whole
So you are thinking that the educational business or educational industry,
I don't think so. By I'm giving a free education.
No, I'm talking about the bringing up the big investment in the education sector, like MIT, like university. If we bring some international schools, if we bring some international universities, where people from other parts of the country will come.
No. It is very difficult for bring these schools. You are talking about MIT and other renowned in industry. They will again your consumption is less. Your people are low. How much could
In the
No, if we
browser.
target our Southeast Asian countries,
your infrastructure is not there. No,
Then
No,
we
that's what
have
I'm saying.
seen
if we spend money on infrastructure, the academic education,
sir.
then you are coming back again on that. His share is price is actually transportation infrastructure. You are coming
Apart
back
from
on-
that, sir, apart from that, the pupil teacher, good teacher, how good teacher will not come to you.
uh, have witnessed.
Teacher, how good teacher will not come to your place. Because you don't have any kind of good hotel. Because you don't have any kind of good hotel.
conclusion. What is your suggestion for the people of Tripura for your achievement?
For particular people, mass people should bless me a lot. The name, my mood, my Sneha Bani, Vinci, Gupta, CFO, Tarun Malik Saab, Kekanaik Saab, Himanshu Mahavar. These people both actually blindly followed my vision. And they tirelessly worked for me. And my team, all my team member had, I have taken all the names there. And my family member, I miss my brother a lot today because he's stuck up and other work Kodai. So he yesterday night he called me up that I'm not able to come, so I miss him. And my parents, my wife and my son sacrificed a lot because
Yes.
they stayed away from myself, and they have given so much of time so that I can think and I can do that kind of activity around.
Yeah.
So this whole team actually done this. I am the only representative of that. I only giving the I am giving this all credit to my team only. And my Mamaji always supported me, and wherever I am in problem, so I go to Mamaji Mama help her. So everybody loving my environment, my family is my environment, and that environment giving me so much of uh, pat on the back so that I can.
That yes, if your environment is good, if you are well equipped with your thoughts, so you can climb up. And Gautam is a living example with us. And we hope that more and more companies from Northeast
Yes.
Tripura will come and will celebrate the same kind of ceremony here. With these words, me and my co-anchor Jaideep will signing off.
To raise the capital from the debt market. Now, for higher capital, larger capital, you have to come to this market. This market operates in a separate direction. This market obviously based upon the reference point is your balance sheet, the profit margin, your revenue growth, and the perspective of